Well, good morning. It's about 9 o'clock. I've had to wait today to wait for this hardware shop to be open to try and get a head torch because I'm sick of not having one. Bike's all packed up, ready to go. The other two guys, Ben and Blue, have left already, so I'll hopefully see them on the road. The bike is not winning any awards for looking stylish, but pretty ready to go, pretty ready to leave, get out of here. Pretty excited for the next couple of days. Tonight we'll be bush camping somewhere random along the side of the road, which is also going to be a bit of fun. It's a bit windy, but I know why they call it the Savannah Way. Expecting giraffes and zebras out of anywhere. I could out-pedal a lion. I'll do it. I'll do it. This is sick. This is awesome. So behind me here is the Burketown camp. Ill-fated camp 119. Burketown walked all the way up with camels and whatnot from Melbourne. And yeah, this was their last camp, the furthest north they got before 3 out of the 4 of them passed away due to thirst, apparently. About 40 k's down, hoping to push for another 50, at least 40, maybe even 60. Try to get to 100k a day. It'll be the first one of the trip, or this leg. Let's get it done. It's getting warm. I think it's about 11, half 11, 12 maybe even. So yeah, it's getting a bit warm. Got pretty bad crosswind today, which is making progress a bit slow. And yeah, I'm just about to hit the dirt now as well. Hopefully it's alright. I'm sure it will be. Sure it will be. Bitumen. Dirt. It's time to say goodbye. I'll miss you, big guy. I'll miss you. 50k's done. This road's pretty. It's probably good. It'll probably get worse, but it's time consuming. It's harder on the legs. I'm pretty sore. 50k's down. Feeling it. Just having a bit of food now. Food will help. Food will help. That's me done for the day. It's getting the sun's getting pretty low in the sky. It's about quarter to 5. Have some sardines quick, get some protein in me, get my body recovering. I was hoping to do more today. It was 78 in the end, but I got to stop. I got to get firewood. I got to get set up, and yeah, got to get cooking. I'm probably about 10 or 20 meters from the road, so I'm pretty close. Just waiting for this wind to die down, but hopefully there's not much traffic tonight either. Moo! Moo! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a full blood moon. It's turning it on today. It's turning it on. Yow! Well, good morning. It is chilly. It's chilly. Nice cup of cold coffee. Yay, trees. I'm in the bush, loving life. There's something just magical about spending a night out by yourself. No one else around. A few kangaroos hopping around last night. Woke up even before the birds did, and it's just so quiet. The sun's slowly starting to rise. I would recommend it to anyone. It's been an amazing couple of hours. Last night was great. Went to bed, read Lord of the Rings. Just loving it. It's incredible out here. Absolutely loving it. Really slow going today. This crosswind is killing me. The dirt roads are killing me. I've come about 30 k's and I've been going for over 2 hours. Another 50 k's to go. It's going to take all day. I made some genuine sort of flatbreads back in Normanton as well, so I'm just going to have half of this in some honey, and hopefully that should keep me going for a bit longer. Big boys, howdy! Ew. About 6 k's done. Road's getting better actually. Getting closer towards that elusive 20 k's an hour as opposed to stuck around 15. Makes quite a big difference over the length of the day. A couple of k's average speed. Just got more leather bread, which I'm just dipping in the old honey for some sugars as well. Yeah, 20 k's to go. What time is it? So it's about 1:30 now. Hopefully an hour and a bit, and then I'll be having a swim in some waterfalls. Pretty good, Leichhardt Falls. Well, this is where the tent's going. Well, I'm all set up. It's about 6 o'clock. Cleaned off the chain, cleaned all the gunk off it that I've accumulated over the last 2 days. Tomorrow's all bitumen to Burketown. I think it's about 70 k's. Just gonna cook up potatoes again. Had some sardines already. Pretty done with potatoes, to be honest. I do have that quinoa as well and some nuts as well, which I didn't mention in the last one. But yeah, getting tired. Gonna cook up, head to bed. I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the morning. See you in the morning. Sweet dreams. Couple of goats to start your morning. Just leaving for Burketown now, 71 k's. If this wind picks up, it'll blow me straight in. How good's that? Just over an hour in, I'm absolutely flying today. Proper bitumen road, real smooth. No food in my packs. Absolutely flying, 28 k's an hour, feeling great. Sun is out, wind's in my back. Just got to filter some more water, and I'm halfway there. Just a police car here. Don't want to film in case they nick me. I even got a police boat as well. All right. Here we go. Just made it into Burketown. 71 k's done. Find a place for the night. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys. I've had an absolute belter of a few days. Really loved it. Had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed too. I'll see you on the next one.